Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add friends in the BFF application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right, the second button there, so the one that has a plus sign next to it. And here, as you can see, these are the ways that you can add friends. So you can do that using BFF ID. You can scan your friend's profile card, or you can invite them through email, phone number. You can use your contacts. So just click on the one that you want to use, and here you just have to enter your your friend's BFF ID, and click on the OK button, and your friend is added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.